Nigga won't play, it's gon' go down. Speak on one of mine, guarantee we gon' blow round. Bro, gotta switch to the blick, cause he know how. You can feel it in the air, you ain't gotta say no sound.
YouTube! We back with another one. I don't got my daughter today, so y'all know what that means. It's a YouTube video type of day. Let's fucking get it. We going to Auburn for a little car meet, for meet up with the boys. Up at Love's? Yeah, Love's. So we all finna meet up at Love's. Get into the car meet type beat. Might go pick up a cameraman. So stay tuned for that. I'll see y'all boys when we in the Hellcat. Let's get it. Only thing about these back roads is really the police be kind of bad. YouTube, y'all already know how we come in, man. We got a full bolt-on 2SS right here to our right. He has everything from the ported manifold to everything. Everything. He's not missing nothing. He's fully bolt-on cam, ported manifold, all of it. Heads, cams, everything. I just gotta drive weird with this like this because it's my site. Nice little driving POV for y'all boys today. Spun pretty bad, but we won that fight, boys. You already know, nothing too major. All we know is Camaro fucking headlights. We never seen taillights, you know. He's fully built. I'll show y'all once we get to where we're going and everything, but it's a pretty fast little car, you know. Just not for Big Papa. Just not for Big Papa. Don't y'all ever get it confused. Tell her I'm recording the video real quick.
We're trying to get a remix. They're trying to get a remix.
How low he want me to drop? This damn phone in my damn eye. It's a good little thing. I love to see it. You want it again? Let me see. I'm spinning too. That's the crazy part. I'm spinning too bad. I spin through the first couple fucking gears.
Damn.
That shit is fast.
That shit is fast. That shit fast. That shit fast. Damn. You had to be spinning. You guys off the line. I'll be off the top.
My shit, I spun though. You see how like I went into his. I'm spun into his goddamn lane. That's a good race for y'all, YouTube. Good little race. Remember, he got full bolt-ons and everything though. Headers, cam, different transmission, everything. Like that bitch is built to death.
Good ass race.
I wish I had better tires.
Shit, you had them on the first one. They ain't spend as much as you did that last one. Though. They got a little Corolla in the group now. Don't hit the car, man. Now you finna line it up with that BMW.
Look like he spun too right there.
You think about getting a cam? Cam this thing.
I'm finna do everything to it.
Yeah, sure. That shit is fast, YouTube. No cap. I'm gonna cut y'all right here. We just chilling now. This the one I just raced, y'all boys. And that bitch. Oh my god. My boy built it by himself. Go follow him on Instagram. Trey Boosted, man. He built. This man built the whole Durango. Got rid of it. Went Camaro. Built this bitch. This bitch is different, man. Definitely different. Don't worry, I'm gonna be putting a bus on this bitch next month, though.
Hell yeah.
This bitch is
I love
running.
competition for real.
This bitch is running. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. It make me want, y'all make me want to get a 2SS or a ZL1, but I'm just not gonna do it. I gotta go M4. Gotta go M4.